those who have been able to sustain success. There are some enyomebia enipakono are building the culture of say ye until na sustainable success. Sustainable success ember in the flash. You must be intentional about baby. And Rich, I was say we good with a new maybe consistently and son of what me achieve success consistently at the top level. I think say one of those things with Pep, Rich, would be the kind of scouting and the way of top players to fix
the problems.
Yes.
Antoine.
Not Antoine alone.
Quick fix.
What they were season where you remember. So Osha City team na and in the trajectories are Rich. It is almost as if say we probably Ellen Haaland everywhere. Omo the backbone of City's challenge to Arsenal are players who came in this season. Donnarumma, Ryan, Maguire, Antoine Semenyo.
And I don't find free Italy. I think AC Milan also. This midfielder,
Tijani
Reinders. So,
Osha City last season. Now, why City are moving from last season performance to this season contenders now. You could clearly see, say it is because of the addition in it, loopholes we are Pep bought to fix into the team, and now they are competitors again. And to be a manager at the top level, Rich, your scouting and recruitment must be spot on, because born players in neighbor, and you can be very good, but if your materials and complement to a Jumana Opessoyana, and I think Pep has shown consistently at that level. There are people who want to extend some conversation into Sika or spend it too much. But Rich, so all we need trophies now. People forget about the money that he has spent. And there's one leg of some argument. He say, okay, I'll spend it, but is he spending with the right place and on your reward for the right purchases now? And the answer is a big yes. I love that about Pep. And it's a baby to study from him. That is one major thing you need to study. Last time I catch you say, Enyoma Carrick Abesasa Oman you know. For me, Bakwe Dimuntinti my pa is the character of the team. First, Manchester United and Nimo Muna no more struggle. Rich, not from afar, it looks like a teamer. And losing a lot of confidence and almost a lot of doubts. And the pressure the banner. And it's a man you game about first half. You said the first goal, say Kim. Na atiesi obi adwunu oh ya say lose biem. Oh enkoye biem. Ye nenso so. But since Carrick came, which among Enyoma waye ni ye, it could also be the resource and a changing mindset in the character in the BBR. But you can clearly see say, one thing you can take away from this current Manchester United team under Carrick, Rich, the confidence and self-belief say, even when we are down, say game we will continue to chase it out to say, that is very, very good. That is the old Manchester United. And then you win. They so much believe say they are a good team and they will beat you. I think Sir Carrick is doing well. Now, before game, and Sky Kobusa Carrick said, why change Kesebi I want to start 11 him. That is to start Benjamin Sesko and bench Ahmad. But Sesko name Sesko free bench there. And the Eba is saying, Rich, the communication and the clarity. The answer say. Didn't you go for Eka Benjamin Sesko free bench bar? No be rescue team no. To him, as the coach in Ohuno, the other way around. Team ni yard ye pa. But they are not able to finish off omo chances, you know. And the omo intimation na ma win no. Ako tie omo jumedie ne to. O de Benjamin Sesko ba. He reads the attacking movement in the year. He is almost at the right place at the right time. Or the confidence now to score near the and Oba and yes Manchester change BBO. The only difference is that he comes in at the end of the action and he is able to take the right decisions in terms of the movement, and now he is confident to score. So if he comes from the bench with that, now Emma you or win at the latter part of the game there, then why don't I start him? Not say was he then finish off the move as and when we start the games. And Rich, he delivered. Yeah. And a very, very positive say. Udi obi be free bench abo obeshe, obi free bench abo obeshe. Na ebia I wan share in the player's mind or start you know so me a super sub. Then you start him in the game and he scores again and delivers. It makes the player free his mind. So no, I form man me nya. Me start you me free bench bo me wa form to say and makes me a say, and that is very, very positive for Manchester United. You see, I have seen a lot of people attack the way Arsenal ever born on the G League, you know. He should forget about it. Probably the goals now Arsenal said. Any baby a goals in free ban and then conform pay. But Rich, you can't tell me Arsenal doesn't play beautiful football. Who goes in the free Arsenal game anymore? I think they've scored 16 or so goals from set pieces. Opa he game he goes in the free game. Next within the 90 minutes, Tamabon air flow, they are friend open play and say Arsenal doesn't play football. They pass war, they defend war. Na team Oko Park is war. I know my to defend war and to attack.
I don't even care, say. Arsenal mobile effect. I didn't know I didn't trip on League.
No, you see, Rich. Me see even the subject of Omo mobile effect. It is misleading. It is so misleading. Now to a typical Arsenal boardroom. Rich, they've scored winning goals 9 times from set pieces this season. 9 times 3 you're saying. So if in the boardroom they know say okay, your league now you're born a best agent. Say you divide your points, you know, into situations. You said 9 times winning goals from set pieces. And on a boy may be G League now. You think they care about the noise outside? No. In fact, this uncommon with Omuni Chelsea game win. The Chelsea goal no said wasn't also from set pieces. Yeah. So Yabo game away 3 goals in the PM. 3 goals in the set pieces. No me yamu 2, no me opponents yamu 1. Look, they don't mind. They all can say your season, you know. Na Arsenal lift trophy now. Rich, the trophy name Martin Odegaard. Say Arsenal are winners of the Premier League. Nobody will come back to this. No. Nobody will come back to it. Arsenal is a solid team. Defend very, very well. Attack very, very well. And set pieces is part of the game. They've mastered it.
What I'm saying, I'm quite sure. You're City. Tamana City dominated the Premier League. Ebona City bo. Na for compare. Now Pep a grand result. Or say one no manage games.
You see,
because you know the 3 points, you know.
See, a domini Esandoso Dakache. City call Leeds against Daniel Varke team.
Shen 1 year.
Or share 1 win. You saw him manage the 1-0 because he is obsessed about the 3 points. Now, there is a certain statement to be, me making it early. I could have made it last week. Me making a statement in early. Rich, yemma season in ko na enka kakrabi. Then I will make that statement. Why Arsenal will win the league this season? And you can say money will be one, but that was what was expected from them. Get the 3 points against Chelsea, and they delivered. I was very, very impressed with the Chelsea team, even though they lost. Rich, Chelsea initially, Chelsea a very, very good team. They may not be as consistent as Opesomoye, but Rich, in big games on any day, Chelsea is a strong competitor, and even with 1 man down, they played very, very well and took the game to Arsenal at the Emirates. Omoya Adepa Ehonum. Bayern was always going to beat Dortmund. It was tight, but Bayern will beat them. And Hurricanes and with Barca, we've always been beating Villarreal. Didn't I am ready to beat Villarreal and say, Rich, for some years now, they are one of the Spanish teams they play open game. And it is dangerous to play Barca openly, sir. They will outscore you. They will outscore you, especially under Hansi Flick. The biggest problem I'm in here with Barcelona and say, Rich, even when they dominate games, they will still find a way to concede. And I think, sir, and opening Bonjuna a third Barca team in one, and my Obiawa doubts said they will win the big trophies now. And your league, you know, the big trophies, a Champions League, you need some sort of tight defense. Barca any side any say. Barca yam mobile, they attack you, they create chances in the they've shown countless times almost our attribute, and they were able to win. I will finish with, and I will share a Roman Juve game.
Kakrebi. I should have heard me that.
It was a blockbuster movie. That game never. I like games like that. A chaotic. Obia yina say, hey, kumina misumi. And I love those kind of games. Rich. And I'm a damn on over the weekend, apart from Lord Amo and my son tells him, Papa.